Okay, write down notes till this point. Okay, from here I will explain this concept. Okay, once you complete noting down till this point, from the starting inside objects, note down the important points till here. This I will explain here. This is a keyword and there is a specific purpose for that one, that I will explain in detail. Before I come to that point, please complete till here. Const person. Person is what is my variable. Okay. Which type of variable? Object type of variable. Okay. And it can contain multiple values of different data types. Okay. Written this dot first name plus this dot last name. In this example, this refers to the object. Okay. That is, this dot first name means first name property of this. First name property, this dot first name means the first name property of this person. So, in this context, okay, what is the value? In another context, the value might vary. Okay, what is this? In JavaScript, this keyword refers to an object. Which object depends on how this is being invoked. Okay, this keyword refers to different objects depending on how this is used. In an object method, this refers to the object alone. This refers to a global object. In a function, this refers to the global object. In a function, in strict mode, this is undefined. In an event, this refers to the element that received the event. Methods like call, apply, bind can refer this to any object. When we see the examples, then we can understand. In the function definition, this refers to the owner of the function. Okay. This dot first name, this dot last name, like that. This dot, whatever you want, you can do. Okay. Generally, when we should use object, when we have multiple values of different data types. But if you have a single value like string or number or boolean, then we should not use them as object. Instead, we just use let variable name and then declare that variable. Okay. Of course, if we see more examples, then you will get clarity. This we use, of course, we will deal all multiple things now, then you will get more clarity. This dot first name will give us, in this context, what is the first name. Okay. Okay. See here, person, first name, last name, all these things. Okay. So instead of all these things, if I give we need to call this function. We are not calling it here, that's why we are not getting it. You can access object properties in two ways: object name dot property name, or object name inside this you can give the property name, like person dot last name you can give, or person inside bracket you can last name give. These are the two different ways you can get. If you use this, then how you can do this dot first name, this dot last name. Okay. To, to give you more details about this, first what we have done, H1 is there, PE is there. Here const person, first name, last name, ID, full name. Okay. Everything is there. Here document dot get element by ID demo means this one, dot inner HTML equal to person dot full name. Okay. I'm calling this person. Person is what? This is the person means this one. Okay. That variable. Okay. Person dot full name. So inside person, I am requesting the full name function. So full name, actually it is a function. Okay. Inside that function, what I am writing? Return first this dot first name space this plus this dot last name. Put the heading this keyword and write down this example, then you will get some understanding. A HTML event can be something the browser does or something a user does. A HTML web page has finished loading. Input field was changed. HTML button has clicked. Often when events happen, you may want to do something. It means like when I click a button, I want something. When I refresh the page, I want to do something like that. These are the events. When the event occurs, then you will call a function. Okay, that we can do. If you see here, what is this? This is a button. And when you click this on click, okay, when you click on the button, then I want to show this. When I click on this, nothing is happening because what I have done here initially, button on click this dot inner HTML date, the time is. So this is the button. I mean the label on the button. When I click on the button, then what I want to do on click, I want to do this one, this dot inner HTML date. So that's why in that place, I am getting the date value. Similarly, here, often, so it's common to use events attribute calling functions. What are those events? On change. For example, if you change the value, on change will fire. On click, if you click, on mouse over means when you click, see, on mouse over means I am just putting my mouse on exercises. When I put the mouse, it should change to green color. When I remove the mouse from here, again it should go to white color. On mouse out, that is. On key down, when I click it, okay, on key down, it means any key. Like on the keyboard, if I click, then, okay, on load. This will help us when, as soon as the page loads, I want this to be executed. So these are the different events that we will use. Okay. JavaScript event handlers. Event handlers can be used to handle and verify user input, user actions, and browser actions. Things that should be done every time a page loads. As soon as a page loads, that we can control. As soon as the page is closed, action should be performed when a user clicks a button. All these are examples at different places where we want to execute. Okay. So put the heading JavaScript events, okay, and write down these each event and the description of the event. This table you note down. Note down this table, JavaScript events. Okay, right? Fine. So we use these elements at different places as per the situation. Okay. Fine. So now let's go to JavaScript string. So strings we know, right? Different strings we can give. If you want to know the length of the text, then that particular variable dot length, if you give, you will get length of it. Okay. Variable dot length will give you the length of it like this. Escape character is like, for example, there is a variable text. Inside that variable, I want to put this entire content. But generally, what I will do, I will put inside double quotes my content. But here, what I told initially, I want to use the content. See, for example, instead of this, if my content is, then there is no problem. Rajesh will come. But if Rajesh pen, it means if I am using single quote within double quote, then also no problem. But here my situation is, so if I want to write a statement like this, and this bad I want to put in double quotes, then we are getting problem. So it is not understanding. Double quote, it is ending here. So it's confusing. So if you want, you can use single quotes instead of double quotes. Okay, then it will work. But my business is saying that no, I want double quote only. Then what you can do, you can put a double quote here. Okay. In that case, what you need to do, you need to put outside single quote. But the problem is here we are using single quote. So in our content, single quote is also there, double quote is also there. So how to resolve this problem? So either you go with single quote or double quote. So outside I kept single quote. Double quote will not create any problem, but this will create problem. Na? So that's why I will give single quote slash. Okay. Okay. This side slash. Wait. Okay. Now see, it is coming without any problem. Okay. Similarly, if you want to include a double quote here outside, if I keep double quote, then what happens? Problem will not come for single quote. Problem will come for this double quote. No? So that's why here I will give this one and this one. So now the problem is resolved. You will get the answer output correctly. So these are known as escape sequences, whereas for single quote, for double quote, for slash, if you write like this is the code and this is the result you are going to get. Fine. Is this clear? We use these things in strings. So these things, 6 other escape sequences. Put the heading escape sequences and write down this. If you want to introduce a backspace, you will write /b. If you want to introduce a form field, just f /n new line /r carriage written /t horizontal tubulator, vertical tubulator. Okay. Breaking long code lines. Okay. If you want to write your code next line also, you no need to give any thing directly. I'm writing. Okay. A safer way to break up a string is to use string addition. Instead of directly writing hello Dolly, I can actually see, instead of writing directly, I can actually give hello plus Dolly. In any way, answer is same. JavaScript strings as objects. You can give string as object value. Okay. Do not create the new keyword complicates the code and slows down execution speed. String objects can produce unexpected results. Okay. So if you really think that we are going to store different values of different data types, then only go for object creation. Otherwise, use normal strings, because your purpose is using normal string. But if you are using object for that one, then what will happen? Unnecessarily, it will hamper the performance. This double equal to, triple equal to, already we discussed, right? I told you, right? Already double equal to, triple equal to. Okay. Just quickly make a note of these things, JavaScript strings. These escape characters. Come on, quick. Developer questions I will send. Wait. First, you complete this. Focus on this one. First, focus on completing the syllabus. Once the syllabus is done, then I will give you all the material that you need to prepare for the interview. Okay. Done with this one. Okay. String methods. We have, these are the different string methods. Okay. String length, if you want to know. String slice, you can break them into two parts. String substring, string substr, string replace all, string to uppercase, string to lowercase, concat. Concat means to add two strings. String trim means it will, remove the white spaces in the starting or ending. String trim start means starting spaces will be removed. String trim end, ending spaces will be removed. String pad start means padding, some spaces will be added in the starting. String pad end, ending space will be added. Char at, if you give string char at and 5, then in the fifth position, what is the character? Okay, char at that location, char code at that location. String split. So these are the different string methods that we use inside the JavaScript. Okay. Fine. See this, let, I have given one string and string, that particular string variable dot length. It will give you me the length. Okay. Similarly here, slice 7 comma 13. It means what happens? It will break this string into two parts, 7 and 13. Extracted, sorry, the sliced extracted part of the string is banana. See, starting from 7 till 13. So this is the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after seventh position, what is the character? From there, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, till 13. From 7 to 13, from 7 to 13, that part I want to slice from the entire string. Okay, that we can do using text dot, string dot slice. Dot slice is used. If you give directly only one number, slice 7, then what happens? So from 7 till end, it will give you 7 comma some value. If you give means till that point only it will give. Only 7 you give means from starting after 7th position, whatever it is there, till end it will give. Okay. So in this way you can use the slice. Text minus slice minus 12, if you give, what will happen? If the parameter is negative, the position is counted from the end of the string. If you give negative, then it will count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let me count again. See, I am at this position. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space also we need to count. Comma also we need to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, as I have given minus 12, okay. So, what it is doing? It is counting from right side. Okay. If I just give only 12, means it will count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, from here onwards it will display. So see, a key it is coming. If I give 12 like this, if I give minus 12, it is giving from the right side. Okay, fine. If you give both negative, then what will happen? We'll start from here 12. Okay, normally if you give both positive, what will happen? it will start from here, it will go till this point, and from there onwards, it will go for 5 or 6 or 7, whatever you mentioned. Okay. But this time it will start from here. Okay. Will start from here. It will go till 12, and again it will come back. Okay. So how it will happen, I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12, 6 opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why answer banana we are getting. These are all the string methods that we are working. So multiple other string methods are there. Sub str. Okay. Okay. Like this. Replace. If you use replace, what happens? This particular word will be replaced by this particular word. Okay. See here, by using text dot replace. Okay. If I click on this function, then this Microsoft is getting replaced with W3 schools. How is that happening? I'm using text dot replace. What is text? Text is my string variable. Let text equal to something I have given, and that text dot replace I am giving. Okay. So replace method is there. After that, replace all. Replace all will do, it will replace the complete thing. Okay. Converting uppercase to lowercase to uppercase. Concatenating means you can just give text1 plus text2. Instead of that, you can also give in this way. Text1 dot concat, inside bracket you can give multiple text2, text3, like that. Okay. Inside concat method, you can give concatenation. Concatenation means nothing but adding to. Okay. After concatenation, trim. As I told, trim here, some space I have given in the beginning, space I have given in the ending. If you use trim, all those empty spaces will be removed. Start trim means it will remove only the empty spaces in the beginning, not at the ending. Trim end means it will remove only the ending spaces, not the starting spaces. Okay. Start pad. Okay. It will give you some empty space. Padding. Padding with 0 I can do, padding with whatever I want. Okay. Pad with this. So I can give like this. Padding, you can add. Start pad means in the beginning it will do. Pad end means in the ending it will do. Okay. Char at. Okay. So I want to know the char at 0th position. Char at 0th position is H. For example, if I give char at 5th position, then what will happen? At 5th position, what is the char? Space. So that's why it is coming. Okay. At 6th position, what is the char? W will come. Okay. So we can give the position name, and in that position, what is the character, that if you want. So here, instead of char, if I want to know the char code, so if I use char code at 6th position, so okay, let me, I have written some, okay, C capital I need to give, that's why I didn't get here. If I give capital C, then it will come. Okay. So the character code for W is 87, whereas the character code for H is what? 72. Like that, each character will have its own specific values. If you want to know all the list of values, you can get. It will be inside this range. Property access. Converting a string into an array. If you want, you can convert a string into an array. So basically, what are the string methods? These are all the string methods. Okay. You do one thing, you make a note of all the string methods. Okay. I think main topics we have covered here. So if you are clear with these topics, whatever we discussed till this point, tomorrow onwards we can start lightning concepts. Okay, fine. So please make sure you are practicing everything in the JavaScript till now what we have explained. Okay. Fine. Okay then. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will give you the content, what to read and all, once you are done with the syllabus. Okay. No worries at this point of time. First focus on the syllabus. Once you are done with the syllabus, then I will tell you what to read for how to prepare for the interview. Okay. Thank you.
Record.